You're welcome to Kammy Designs. Let's make creativity super easy for you. Just like this picture that shows your image and what the person does, and you may be asking, how do people do it? So let us do one of this so that you know how we do it. So first of all, what you are going to do right now is you go to ChatGPT. Let's dive into it. Once you open ChatGPT, this is how ChatGPT looks like. Okay. So ChatGPT already know if you are the one using ChatGPT all the time, so it's very easier for you to create that type of image. So first of all, what I'm going to click on this, create a caricature of me and my job based on everything you know about me. You get just already know something about me. So what I'll do is I'll click on this go icon. So let's wait. So once we see this, you see what ChatGPT tells me. I love this idea already because I say, please upload 1 to 2 photos of yourself visible. Are you seeing what ChatGPT is showing me? Okay. So what I will just do is to upload my image. Okay. So I'll click on this plus icon, go to photos, and I'm going to find the photo I'm going to upload that will enable me to create the image I want. Okay. So let's wait. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to go to my pictures, the picture I want to upload. So ChatGPT will help me to create that. Okay, so I want to use this particular image, so I'll click on it and click on done. Then I'm going to send it. You have to wait. So it has finished uploading. I'll click on this good icon, so I'll click on it. It has already uploaded. So once it's already started creating the image, remember that ChatGPT already know a lot of things about me because I use it most times. You get, so that's it. So you have to wait, and to is creating the image. So let's wait until the image is being created and we are going to download it to our phone. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so the image has already been created. Let's wait. So are you seeing the results? Yeah, it's just that I'm a nurse and a graphic designer. So what I'm going to do is to click on it and click on save. Okay, so I'll click on save. It automatically saves to my gallery. So this is how you can simply create image trend. Okay, so if you go to your gallery, you will see it. So I would like you to like, comment, share this video so that your mates will be able to see it. Bye.